Hello friends, you all are welcome on Vedanta IAS Academy. We are going to understand coastal topography in this video lecture, right? So, I hope you all will enjoy the topic properly, understand topic properly. It is very crucial for the point of view of UPSC examinations, and many of the people do not try to complete this topic, but it has the greater significance. So, we must have understanding of every kind of topographies. Right now, we are going to understand coastal topography. First of all, I would like to tell you what is the definition of topography. Topography refers to those landforms which creates under effect of external forces, right? Under effect of external forces by various agents. Here agent is sea waves. Agent is as what sea waves here. So, we are going to study here the coastal topography. Coastal topography. This topography develop under effect of process of weathering, erosion and deposition through sea waves, tidal waves, ocean current, etc. Sea waves, tidal waves, and oceanic currents, etc. And oceanic currents, etc. Right? Here now, you can see in this region whatever the structures have created, like beach, tombolo, barrier spit, right, lagoon lake, bay barrier. These all are an outcome of tidal waves, sea waves and oceanic currents Here you can see variety of the structures, right? You can see variety of the structures. This one as stump, S-T-U-M-P. This is the stump like structure created due to sea wave erosion. This is the stack, S-T-A-C-K, stack, circular elevated pillar like structure that is called as stack. Then if there is a arc shaped structure that is called as arch, A-R-C-H, and here this is the cave. What is the difference between arch and cave? Arch and cave. In case of arch, there is cross water condition, right? There is what? Cross water condition, but in this region water is not visible across this particular structure, across this particular structure, right? So, these are the some structures forming under effect of sea waves, right? Here we can see one more structure. This is actually headland. This is the headland, and you can see again here stack. This is completely stack, and here we can see arch, right? This is also stack. So, what kind of structures actually forming during the some during sea wave erosion. Some of them we have seen already, like arch, stack, beaches. Right now we are going to know some more structures creating here, right? Some more structures creating here. Suppose this is the continent, this is the what? Continent, and here this is the ocean. Ocean, right? This is the ocean. If under effect of sea waves there is taking place deposition in this way and form a circular deposited structure, it can be we call it as bars or islands. Like in India, Numure Island, Wheeler Island, etc. are the example of deposited structure. If there is taking place deposition in this way, and they create one more structure, this is called as spit. This is called as spit. If spit is going to connect with the bars or the deposited island, then that is called tombolo. Means in this way spit is going to interlink. Spit is going to interlink with this bar, connecting bar with the spit, that is called as tombolo. Right? Tombolo. And this structure creating through the process of deposition, this is called as hook. And if hook is connected in both the sides, then this is called as loop. This is called as loop. I have told already, in this shape, if a structure is going to form it surrounded by the water, then it is called as stack. If structure is forming in this way, right, in this way, and there is cross water with this particular window, then it is called as arch. So this is all about the coastal topography. Whenever you visit to the coastal areas, you might see such structures. The structure like arch as well as stack is shown in the movies, generally during the picturization of songs, right? So these are the structures of the coastal areas forming under effect of sea waves, tidal waves as well as ocean currents. So I hope you all would be understanding the topic. Thanks to watching the video. All the best. Have a nice time. Goodbye.